Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be exploring the featured welding machine brands available at GZ Industrial Supplies and why they are trusted by professionals across Nigeria. We focus on brands proven in Nigerian industrial usage. Kayerta machines are well known for combining performance, reliability, and value. Available options include arc welding machines, inverter DC MMA welders, TIG welding systems, popular among workshops, contractors, and technicians. MaxMech welding machines. MaxMech machines are selected for rugged performance and affordability, making them attractive to both professionals and growing businesses. Common use cases: heavy checkmark workshop welding, heavy checkmark site operations, heavy checkmark maintenance tasks. Other welding machine options. We also supply various welding systems suitable for different budgets and workloads, including industrial and project-grade machines. For current pricing, GZ Industrial Supplies recommends contacting our sales team directly due to frequent market fluctuations. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.